Alright, everybody, so I just got this neck pillow for the trip that's coming up in a few days. I can't say which because, you know, the people on my channel, they should, like, come in my house, and they know I won't not be there. So I'm not going to say when, like, if I know you in real life, you know when I'm going to go. But I will be going in a few days, which I know Fuse 3, but I'm not going in 3 days. But I got this neck pillow. It's very squishy, it's nice. But, you know, I also have this bag. And I'm going to make this neck pillow fit in this bag. Okay? So you see how small it is? I can only, it's as big as my hand. Versus this. This versus this. Now, get right to it. We're going to eat one Dorito. And drink one water. Okay. Now, I will fit this into this bag. This is not a magic trick. This came with the pillow. But, yeah. So, I'm going to go like this. It's kind of hard to show on camera because it's better when I do it like, you know, when I go like this. It's easier like that. But I'm on a table right now. So, go like this. I'm sorry, this is the only other way I could do it. Squeeze it in. You see it? See it squeezing in? Squeezing it in. Okay. Not done yet? Okay, and as you can see, the neck pillow is in here. It's true magic. This is not a sponsor, but I wish it was. Go buy their neck pillows. This is the softest neck pillow. See how squishy it is? It's so awesome. Here, hold on. Let me just take this out. Okay. So this is how it works. Put it over your neck like this. You button it. I can use yours for chin support. You know, when you're on a plane, you can just be like, nice sleep. You could be like, you could also be like, when you have a wall in front of you, you could just be like, you could also be like, and where'd it go? If you have nowhere to, oh, there it is. I was wearing it the wrong way. If you have nowhere to put your phone, this is my mom's phone. She has a really, really skinny phone. Like a skinnier phone than me, so you could just fit that right in there. So you could be like, I can kind of feel it, but, you know, whatever. Still comfortable. I could just go like that. Okay, that does kind of hurt, but still, it's smart. But with my new phone, I'll be able to do that. I'm so glad I have this pillow now. Well, I guess it's sadly time to put it away until the vacation, which is, you already know, everybody in real life. I'll tell you at school tomorrow. Anyways, Because people on YouTube don't need to know that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know, I have 37 subscribers right now. So, I don't know how many random people are subbed to my channel. I know only a few of my friends are. Oh yeah, that's such an easier way to put it in. Oh, that looks really weird. You know, you guys probably aren't even watching right now and don't care. But guys, this is a quality pillow. God dang, this is an amazing pillow. I really suggest you buy it. It's not a sponsorship, but I wish it was. Perfect. Go get High Sierra. SIERRA. Since 1978, travel neck pillow. Get it so I get sponsored.